Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can get a customer or client statement. So how you can download or email to your clients on your Crunch account. So let's go to a section called Sales. Let's click on Clients and I will look at my Happy Limited. And when you click on Options button, there is option to view client statement. Select the date you want to look statement at. I will start from 1st of May till up to today. Click on view statement and here we go. This is whole statement including all ins and outs and as well as credit notes. And as we can see, balance is in negative, so that means that I do a refund to my customer Happy Limited. We have a couple of options to do, so we can change a date and view statement so we can look back in history. We can email directly to our customer if you have provided an email address. We can download this statement and this is how it looks like. So we can distribute via different ways if you want, and also we can go back. So this is a way how you can get or download or distribute a statement of your customer's account, including all transactions in a certain period. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared my complete Crunch tutorial where I go through the process of setting up my account on Crunch until very last step of preparing self-assessment report.